In this video, we're going to be making these decadent Fudgy Snickers brownies, so stick around if you want to learn to make them. So first you're going to grease and line a 9 by 7 inch pan and set that aside. Now these are the dry ingredients you're going to need, so you're going to mix them all up. And then set this aside. And these are the wet ingredients you're going to need. So first you're going to cream your butter and your sugar. Beat this for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then you're going to beat in your eggs one at a time. Also add in your vanilla extract with your last egg. And then you're going to mix in your dry ingredients and beat on low speed just till they have incorporated in the batter. And then you're going to switch to a spatula and mix in any remaining flour. And then you're going to add in half of your batter in your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. Now these are the ingredients you're going to need for the filling. So you're going to sprinkle on your milk chocolate. And then the roasted peanuts. And then drizzle on some caramel sauce, and I have a recipe for this so you can check that out. And then you're going to drizzle on your peanut butter. And you're going to mix in your dark chocolate with the remaining batter. And then spread it on the top of your filling. And you have to be patient while you're doing this. You can bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. And you're going to let these cool completely. And once they have cooled, I like to refrigerate them for a few hours so they have set completely. And then you can run a knife at the sides and remove it from your pan. And then cut them up into slices, and you can cut them as small or as big as you like. and you have this delectable piece of brownie right here. You can see how gooey and fudgy the texture of the brownie is, and you also get these chunks of chocolate and peanuts in every bite. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with recipes, and I will see you soon.